Hey there, we're Rachel, Daniel, and Carlton, and we started this YouTube channel called Mango Street exactly 1 year ago today. Back then, Daniel was a full-time motion graphics artist and I was a wedding photographer.
A lot has happened since.
We created this channel and uploaded our first video.
And didn't waste any time exploiting our roommate Carlton.
We committed to uploading one tutorial every Monday and posted 3 more tutorials before February.
We moved from downtown LA to Highland Park. My parents came to visit and we went to Channel Islands National Park. It was
adorable.
It rained for 6 minutes in LA, so our power went out for like 36 hours.
Still made that tutorial though, because darn it, we made a promise.
We went to a creative workshop called Field Trip and partnered up with our friends from White and Reverie to make an outstandingly underviewed tutorial about filmmaking.
Shot photos and video for our honorary uncles in American football.
We showed you how to create a Lightroom preset and gave you one for free.
And we took you behind the scenes of an engagement shoot.
Rachel ate a banana in the middle of our video on how we became suggested users on Instagram. Everyone was weirded out by it, so we made it a regular thing.
Daniel took our friend Eric to Hong Kong and Thailand to shoot a wedding. From the looks of it, he had equally as much fun as I had at home.
Rachel's sister Megan came out to visit, and we forced her into our tutorial about shooting friends who aren't models.
Shot a bunch of weddings, made a bunch of tutorials.
We went up to San Francisco and worked together separately.
Flew to the Midwest for a wedding and to make another video with Megan on composition.
Went back home and made you guys some LUTs.
Shot some more weddings and this La La Land reenactment with Eric and his wife Sabria. Our roommate turned 3 or 21, depending on how you count.
Met Destiny, and we knew we were fated to create a lot of fun tutorials together, like this one.
Made a few more videos. And I took Daniel to In-N-Out and Yosemite and In-N-Out for his birthday.
It was nice. Made a tutorial on night photography because the night sky definitely called for it.
Went on our first helicopter ride.
And made our first short.
After almost 6 months in Highland Park, we did that thing that we do and moved back downtown to the Arts District.
Made some merch, link in bio.
Made a Mango Street Instagram account.
Like and subscribe or whatever.
And chatted about the best export settings for your photos.
And we collaborated with our friend Daniel D'Arco to learn some studio lighting tricks. Met up with Sarah Dici and John Hill.
Cuties.
Back to San Francisco for the old day job.
It was time for a vacation, and it just so happened to be my birthday.
Happy birthday, darling. We love you very, very, very.
Snorked some turts. Oh, and got engaged.
Headed to Iceland.
And Sweden.
Met Jessica Kobasi and made a few videos.
Went back home and made a video about video with our friend Seth.
Hi, Seth.
More tutorials, obviously. And I jumped in a cold pool.
Shot a ton of weddings. I'm tired. Left my full-time job to do this YouTube thing and started the lab.
Went to Joshua Tree and Malibu. Posted like 5 videos in 5 days, including this outstandingly underviewed one.
Created a Mango Street Twitter, like and subscribe or whatever. Shot Strangers with Jessica, and broke down how to put together your own styled shoot from conceptualization to final edits. It was our favorite shoot yet.
Did a shoot underwater for our first and second time.
Went to the Midwest for the holidays. Shot a ton of B-roll for a few shorts, like this one about Christmas.
Rang in the new year watching Third Eye Blind in Santa Ana with a couple of friends.
All in all, it was a fun year. We uploaded 75 videos, didn't miss a Monday, and hit almost 500,000 subscribers.
Thank you for watching this year. Here's to year 2.
You can whip out.
Don't laugh at me. You have to open it.
Stop eating my hand.
Don't put any of that in there.